Hey everyone, if your QuickBooks reports aren't showing data or appear blank, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step fixes so your reports display correctly, again, fast and easy. First, check your report's date range and filters. Sometimes the wrong dates or filters can make reports appear empty, so double check that everything matches the data you want to see. Next, refresh the report or rebuild it. I mean, sometimes QuickBooks just needs a quick refresh to load all the data properly, and this simple step often solves the problem instantly. For QuickBooks desktop users, run the Verify and Rebuild Data tool. So go to File, then Utilities, and click Verify Data. If QuickBooks finds any issues, click Rebuild Data to fix them automatically. This helps correct corrupted or inconsistent records that can prevent data from appearing. Also, make sure your QuickBooks user account has the right permissions. Restricted access can prevent certain data from showing in reports, so check your user setup under Company Arrow Setup Users. Ensure QuickBooks is updated to the latest version. Updates often fix bugs that can cause reports to display incorrectly. If the reports still aren't showing data, use the QuickBooks Tool Hub. Select Company File Issues or Program Problems, and it will automatically detect and repair problems that may be causing report errors. And finally, if nothing works, restore a recent backup file. So your reports should display correctly again, and all your data will be back in place. So yeah, those are the best ways to fix QuickBooks reports not showing data. Just follow each step one by one, and your reports should be accurate and complete. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more QuickBooks tutorials for quick and easy fixes. Hey everyone,